Waste Management Service, Springfield, Georgia. Ready to revitalize your Springfield space? Ranco Environmental Services offers top-tier waste management services in Springfield, Georgia. Let us handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what truly matters. Our team can handle any waste management challenge, from residential renovations to commercial cleanouts. We understand the importance of efficient and eco-friendly waste disposal. Our dumpster rental service is designed to simplify your project. Choose from a variety of sizes to accommodate your specific needs. Our team will deliver and pick up the dumpster at your convenience. Committed to sustainability, we offer comprehensive recycling services. By diverting waste from landfills, we contribute to a greener future for Springfield. When you choose Ranco Environmental Services, you're choosing peace of mind, knowing your waste is handled responsibly. Ready to experience the Ranco Environmental Services difference? Contact us today at 912-687-9800 to learn more about our services and to request a quote. Ranco Environmental Services, your partner for a cleaner, greener Springfield.